Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your V1365 camera. First, carefully unbox your camera and verify all parts are present, including the power adapter and any cables. Next, make sure your camera is fully charged or plugged into a power source. Then, download the specific mobile application for the V1365 camera onto your smartphone or tablet. This app is essential for the setup process and future control. Let's get started with the next steps. Now, let's connect your camera to your home network. Open the camera's mobile application and either create a new user account or log in if you already have one. Once inside the app, select the Add Device option and choose the V1365 camera from the list. You'll then be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi network details. Ensure you're connecting to a 2.4 GHz network, as many cameras do not support 5 GHz Wi-Fi. With your network details entered, the app will guide you through the pairing process. This often involves scanning a QR code displayed on your camera or pressing a sync button. Once paired, you can customize settings like motion detection and recording preferences. Finally, choose an ideal location for your camera, ensuring it has a clear field of view and is within good Wi-Fi range. Consider mounting it about 7 to 10 feet high for best coverage. After successful pairing, perform a thorough test of your camera's live view, two-way audio, and any other features through the app. Adjust settings such as motion sensitivity, notification alerts, and video recording quality to suit your needs. You can also set up storage options, like cloud services or a local SD card. For an amazing home upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Find the link for this and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your new V1365 camera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.